The Find field at the lower right part of the window allows for very efficient, powerful and quick searches. In this field you can enter all search criteria that you can also enter in the individual fields. See the section Find module. However, the Find field can be more efficient because you can enter and modify what you want to find without having to switch between fields. This can be very fast. There are a few things you need to know. Actually, it is very simple, because every time you enter Find criteria in the individual fields of the Find module, the correctly formatted string is automatically entered into the Find field. This works both ways. Anything you enter in the Find field is shown in the individual fields as it is interpreted. What makes the Find field so powerful is that you enter what you are looking for in any order you like. So if you find too many rubrics, simply type a few more terms to reduce the result. You can even repeat criteria you typed earlier in the field. The latest interpretation is taken. Grade or rubric size. You can even combine the use of the Find field with the individual fields. Whatever you change at one location automatically reflects in a change at the other location. Here are the rules. Text. Text fragments are automatically interpreted as text, like you type it in the individual text field. The same use of slash, plus and minus applies here. See examples in the section Find module. In this example, the word menses is to be found in combination with either before or during. Remedies. Remedy abbreviations have to be ended with a dot. In the Remedies field, this is optional. But here you must end with a dot to avoid confusion between text fragments and remedy abbreviations. As example of confusion, SEP could be either sepia or, for instance, separation. The same usage of slash and plus applies here. See examples in section Find module. In this example, we are searching either for sepia or semicifuga. Note, even remedies that by themselves are not an abbreviation, like APIS or BUFO, need to be ended with a dot. Gradation. Minimum gradations 1 to 4 can be specified by entering *1, *2, *3 or *4. This expression can be read as all, the asterisk, requested remedies need to have this grade or higher. Alternatively, the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 without the star are interpreted as minimum remedy gradation as well. So 4 is the same as *4. Rubric size. Minimum and maximum rubric size can be specified by a number preceded by greater than or less than. Less than 50 means 50 remedies in the rubric or less. Greater than 10 means 10 remedies or more. Alternatively, any number starting at 5 or higher is automatically interpreted as a maximum rubric size. So 50 is the same as less than 50. Let's extend the initial example with a restriction to rubrics that contain at most 50 remedies. The following ways to enter the criteria will all result in the same outcome. Less than 50, without the less than. Can change the order of things. Doesn't make a difference. The order is not important. In the last example, you see how the initial gradation of 2 is replaced by 3 later on, and the maximum rubric size of 200 is changed into 50. This might seem confusing in an example, but is actually very efficient while you are searching and want to narrow your results as you search. You can type a new criterion without first having to remove the previously entered criterion. The last simply overrules the first. Some tips. Don't forget that text searching also uses the special notation of equal, star and quote. Like equal dog will find dog but not the word dogmatic. Star Asian will find palpitation as well as perspiration and ovulation. Quote he is, quote, will only find he and is if they are in that exact order.